Okay, good morning everyone, to all viewers and to all community. Meron lang ako isi-share sa inyo regarding sa aking farm. Ang aking presentation, this morning, Happy Independence Day. To all viewers and to all community. Sa buong universe, you better watch this. Okay? Kaya, ang araw na to, Happy Independence Day to all Filipino citizen. Magbigay-pugay tayo sa ating bandila. We have to proud to be a Filipino. Irespeto po natin ating flag. Remember, protect the environment in a global planet. Ito lang po ang message ko sa buong community at sa buong universe. Anyway, that's all I can say. Thank you. Again, Happy Independence Day and have a nice day.